Hey Cinderellas, we are here with Christine, our model for today. We're actually doing a luxury bridal photo shoot and video shoot here on the Sundancer yacht in Hoboken. For all of you brides-to-be, or if you're looking for like a really great event space, you're gonna get to see some really awesome stuff. But today we're just gonna be focusing on an elegant bridal makeup and hair look for Christine. So you wanna say hello, Christine? Hi. What is important for you when you're looking for someone who can provide a really great quality makeup for you?
It's actually really hard for some makeup artists to make me look like myself, you know? Like I want to look like myself and natural, but just amped up or dramatic. And it's hard for a lot of makeup artists.
Well, you have no problems
Yes.
here, so I'm excited to work with you. And let's get started.